Tonight we're going to be looking at how to generate a formula from some given information. So let's look at a problem to the kind of thing that you might be asked. So a factory produces handbags by cutting and shaping rectangles of material. To make one bag, a rectangle of material P centimetres by C centimetres is needed. That's meant to be Q centimetres. The factory finds the area A of the material is sufficient to make a handbag. Obtain a formula for A in terms of. The factory finds that an area A of material is sufficient to make N bags. Obtain the formula in terms of P, Q, and N. So the area required for one bag, requires a rectangle of material P by Q. So the area of this equals PQ. For N bags, the area is going to be NPQ because each bag has this area and there's N bags, so the formula will be N times P times Q. Now, let's think of a slightly more involved question. A square of side X centimetres is removed from each corner of a rectangle, measuring M by N. The first question is, draw a sketch to show this information. Okay, so I'm going to clear the screen so we've got room to do this. So we've got a rectangle. World's worst rectangle, and the length of one side is A, its width is B, and the problem said that a square was cut out of each corner, and the size of each corner was length X, Y, XX, sorry. So there is our sketch of this rectangle. Find the formula for the area A centimetres, so we want the area remaining after the removal of the 4 squares. So let's think. The area of the rectangle before anything has been taken out is going to be A, B. But we're taking away 4 of these little squares. So one of these squares, one square, the area is X times X, which is X squared. But there's 4 of them. So we're going to have to take away 4x squared. So this is the area that we want. The sides are now folded up. So I'm going to draw another diagram. So the sides are folded up to make a rectangular tray. So sides are folded up. to make a rectangular tree. Find the volume. So let's draw a picture to see what that would look like. So art is not my strong point. Oops, that is dreadful. Try and get that a bit straighter. Oops, that. That's not too bad. So then, if you think about the original, we'll just draw the original shape here. So it makes it easier to work out what's happening. So remember, these are X. This length here is A, and this length here is B. So along here and here, here and here, this rectangle is going to be the base of our tree. So the height, if you were to fold these wee flaps up, the height of the tree is going to be X, and this length here is going to be B minus 2x, because it's this length here. Those two pieces are removed. Likewise, the length of the tree is going to be this, from this bit here to this bit here. So this length is going to be A minus 2x. So let's think of the volume. The volume is going to be A minus 2x times B minus 2x times x. And this is the simple. We're going to leave the brackets in. If we multiply the brackets out, you're just going to get a big mess. So this is, leave it in this form. Okay. It's better. It's better convention to write it as without the time sign. So to do it like that. But both are correct. Hope that helps.